Hello everybody, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures.
Previously you saw that we went to Knott's Berry Farm, we went to the marketplace, and we got a bunch of boysenberry treats to try. And one of those treats was not a treat at all, it was a make-your-own funnel cake kit.
Oh my gosh, I can't even. That was like the best find, I think, of the trip.
Yeah, Knott's is known for their funnel cakes. They put their boysenberry preserves on top. So we're going to try to make one in Kitra's Quarantine Kitchen.
Wish us luck.
Come with us on this adventure.
Welcome on back to another episode of Kitra's Quarantine Kitchen. We have got this funnel cake kit. You can make funnel cake yourself. We found some recipes for it at home, so we'll go ahead and link that in the description if you can't get access to this funnel cake kit.
If we can find this online, we'll put a link to that as well.
Yeah.
What is inside this kit?
Yeah.
Well, you get a funnel cake pitcher. I guess it's a way of like pouring it into... We could have used this for the churros. Well, no, it probably wouldn't come out like that, right?
I don't know, if we ever want to make funnel cakes again, we'll have this to use.
We got a frying ring, and I guess you put this in a pan, and that's how you keep the funnel cake in a contained area. And then we got the pre-made funnel cake mix.
Awesome. Yeah, I think all we need to add to that is water, and that's it. So here's everything that you're gonna need for this specific funnel cake recipe. You're gonna need 1 1/3 cup of water. You're gonna need a deep frying pan, preferably 2 to 3 inches deep, cooking oil, a mixing bowl, metal tongs, and a wire whisk.
Take we make the dough, we're gonna put the oil in the pan and heat that up. We're gonna take our frying ring, put it in the middle of the pan, and we're gonna take our vegetable oil, and we're gonna fill that up halfway because the oil expands, so you don't want to put any more than halfway. Okay, so we heat it up, and the oil is spreading out from that ring, which I thought was a mistake, but it looks like in the instructions, there's like this whole instruction thing on the back of the box. It looks like it's doing that there as well, so we're good. And now we're gonna go to Kitra to make the dough.
While the oil is getting nice and hot, we're gonna go ahead and make our mixture. Basically, you just dump this into the bowl and add the water. Go ahead and whisk this up, and it says on the box that it should be about the same consistency as waffle batter mix. This smells like pancakes or waffles. Is that all funnel cakes is deep fried waffles? Now the moment of truth. Pouring this batter into the funnel cake pitcher. Hopefully I could do it without spilling it everywhere. Can't let any of this batter go to waste, you know what I'm saying? This says it makes between 8 to 10 funnel cakes, so we're gonna be having a lot of funnel cakes over the next few days. I went ahead and I laid down some paper towels because apparently, like, according to the directions, these like fry up super quick, and we're gonna be making a bunch of them. So I'm ready to go. They could all lay here. I'm gonna go ahead and test the oil. We actually don't have a frying thermometer. We just have one for meat, but I figure better than nothing, right? Ooh, it's hot.
What does it need to be?
It needs to be around 350 to 375.
It's getting there, so I think we should start.
Yeah, this, I think this is pretty much ready. The directions say to do a circle around the edges 3 to 4 times, and then kind of zigzag back and forth 4 to 6 times. So let's do it. That might have been way too much. I think I was counting like back and forth as one movement. And then it's supposed to fry for 30 seconds on each side.
It looks like thicker than normal.
Yeah, it says it puffs up. I might have just put too much. The scariest part is flipping it over. Because it's been 30 seconds, so I need to flip it.
Flip it.
Okay.
Do it. Ooh.
Yep. It's okay. It's okay. There's gonna be some stragglers, okay? That's just how life is. Does it look brown enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was hard to flip. We're making funnel cakes, baby!
Junior babies.
I just like holding these. Okay, I think it's time to take it out. So just take it out. Using metal tongs, carefully pick up funnel cake and allow oil to drop. Place funnel cake on plate.
Do it. Right here.
Oh god, okay. Mm-hmm.
It looks good.
Does it look done?
Yeah. I'm gonna try now. Here we go.
Okay, so it says 3 to 4 times around. And then kind of go back and forth 4 to 6 times. Like, that's way more, but okay.
Mine look a lot thinner than yours.
Do they?
Yeah.
Ooh! You're doing great.
No, I'm not. Not doing good. You made it look easy, honey.
Ooh, yours is a lot more brown than mine.
What happened?
It's okay.
What happened to mine?
We have this one for the thumbnail. That's all that matters. Peter, you are supposed to be the deep frying expert. What is happening?
First time I deep fried was churro bites, so I don't know how I'm an expert.
You did good, though. Okay.
It does not really seem done to me, but... Okay, should we do one more?
Yeah, let's do one more.
I'm not even sure if we have enough for one more.
Do you want to do it or
Yeah, let's go. Here we go.
confidence?
So I think you've got to do it fast like that. This one actually looks the best, I think, though.
So you don't have to put boysenberry on your funnel cakes. Obviously, you could put powdered sugar, you could put chocolate, you could put ice cream, you could put whatever your heart desires.
But we're doing it Knott style.
But we're doing it Knott style. We're putting those boysenberry preserves and powdered sugar. I can't wait. I don't have a powdered sugar sifter, so I'm just gonna stick my hand in the powdered sugar and sprinkle it on. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So it looks pretty good. It looks like it's fully cooked.
I think there's a lot more dough here than needed to be. I think I needed more air in between so that it like crisped up. Mm-hmm. But it's still good, but it tastes more like pancake-like.
I feel like it's been so long since I've had a funnel cake that I'm like forgetting
I feel like normally when you get a funnel cake, you get like these like little,
holes in the middle.
yeah, it all get crisped up, and I think here's like one like
Well,
big
let's try a bite of
mass.
that then. Oh yeah, this one feels a lot more crispy.
Yeah.
There we go.
Lesson learned here. When you're putting the dough into the pan, go really fast. So you want like really small lines.
Yeah,
So it like separates it.
that's a
and
good
crisps.
lesson.
Yeah.
I will say this kit to me was worth the $15 because now we have the tools to do it again. I'm not like blown away by it.
The problem is it's not crispy enough. I feel like we should have done like 1 minute on both sides.
Yeah.
But I think it would be a 5 and a 5 and an ordinary adventure star if we had done it properly.
Yeah.
But I feel like we didn't quite get there. I'm gonna give it a 4.
Yeah. So I guess we'll. Dang. Sorry guys. I know you guys were expecting a 5. I feel just like the churros we made were so good So this is kind of like a disappointment compared to that.
Yeah. But I feel like we could get there if we did it again.
We'll just have to keep making funnel cakes. I mean, we've got enough like boysenberry to make at least like 20 more.
Okay. To the comments. What is your dream holiday not thinking about cost?
Well, I really want to go to Japan.
Yeah, I want to go to Japan too. It's been a lifelong dream to go to Japan, and also to go to Tokyo Disney Sea and Universal Japan. But aside from that, what? I love Disney cruises, and I would love to take, there's sometimes every year they do a Disney cruise that's a 14-day Disney cruise that goes to Hawaii.
Yeah.
Then you stay at Aulani, and then you come back to California.
That's the dream.
Yeah.
I've been to Hawaii before. It's very beautiful.
I want to go to Hawaii.
I want to go to Aulani specifically. I mean, do other stuff while we're in Hawaii.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a good one. That's a good answer.
Disneyland or Universal Studios?
Disneyland. Sorry, Universal. We love you too.
What is your favorite thing to eat at Disney that's not from Galaxy's Edge? That's a hard question. I like corn dogs. I'm a big corn dog fan.
I really love like the grilled cheese and tomato soup from Jolly Holiday. Like that's like if we're ever like
They need to put that recipe online so we can make that in Kitra's.
That would be awesome. But if we're ever like, what should we eat? That's always like a good default of like, let's just go get that because it's always so good.
Have you guys ever met any celebrities, not as an entertainer, but as a guest in the parks? There was one time that we were waiting for the parade and fireworks, and we accidentally went up to the train station to watch from there.
Oh my god, I totally forgot about this.
Yeah, we didn't know that that's the VIP area. Mm-hmm. So you're not allowed to stand up there. Only the people that have like the super duper VIP tours go up there.
Yeah.
And they tried to kick us out, but we by that point, all the spots had been taken. We waited up there for like a half an hour, and so basically they allowed us to stay up there, and it was super duper like crazy. They didn't want people out there because
Britney Spears was up there.
Yeah, with her family.
Yeah, so we were like, she was like a few rows ahead of us, and we were just watching her like watch the parade. I forgot about that.
And at Galaxy's Edge media event, we ran into a lot of people, which you can see that video above. What is a theme for a future Halloween Horror Nights maze that they haven't done that you would like to see? I would say Gremlins.
Ooh.
I think that could be fun.
That would be good because it could be like Christmas.
And it could be a lot of puppeted scares. Yeah.
That's a good one. What about like a Jurassic Park maze?
That would be so cool.
$1 million idea right there. You're welcome.
Universal, do it.
Or like Jaws. Just like giant sharks like popping out at you.
That'd be so ridiculous. I've seen you speak about marriage. Just wondering, what are your thoughts on having children? You'd make great, fun parents.
Oh, thank you. I think we're both kind of on the same page. As of right now in my life, I'm not a spring chicken anymore. So I'm getting up there in age, and I just think my time is kind of past.
Just like 25, 26.
I enjoy being a dog mom. I love my dogs. Yeah. They are my children.
I feel like we are selfish about our time, and we, as much as having a kid would be cool, and I think I would love like showing him Star Wars or him or her or whatever, and expose it like to all this geeky stuff that we're into.
Yeah.
But that's not a reason to have a kid. Do you know what I mean? Like that's a selfish reason to have a kid.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I feel like we couldn't go to Disney as much as we could if we had a kid, I think. And we couldn't be doing...
Not even Disney, just we couldn't be doing as much... Like, we go to a lot of events and we do a lot of things.
Yeah.
And it's already hard enough, like, with 2 dogs to, like, arrange for them to be taken care of. But, I don't know.
We have, like, friends who have kids, and I think we're kind of happy being the fun aunt or uncle.
Yeah,
that, like,
I'll gladly be, like, the fun aunt or whatever.
That doesn't have to deal with the crying babies and all that stuff. So
sorry, Mom.
Do you guys have a favorite basketball or sports team? I'm not into sports whatsoever, so that's a question for her.
I grew up in the Bay Area of California, and we have some baseball teams there, and I'm a big Oakland A's fan. That's probably the only team that like I really love, and I hate all Los Angeles teams.
I'm originally from an area outside of Boston, so everybody was into sports.
Boo.
And everybody was like, Yankees suck, Red Sox, and all that, whatever. I kind of liked the Red Sox because they were lovable losers, but once they started winning...
They're not lovable losers anymore, and they haven't been for a long time.
I know, but they were the underdogs for so long. And then once they became, like, the guys that, like, are always winning, it becomes boring.
Well said. Boo Red Sox.
You get so many hate comments.
A lot of people hate the Red Sox.
Do they?
And the Yankees.
I guess, yeah. Do you guys have any plans to go to Walt Disney World Orlando reopening?
We don't have any plans.
And by the way, that's kind of news that they're expected to put their plans into the Orange County to open up in some way coming up.
Oh, I didn't even know that. I mean, I would like to. I just don't think it's possible, and I don't think we're gonna like go out of our way to go there. Yeah. Especially since we were just there like in March, right before this whole thing started. I
wouldn't be against it if Disney was gonna fly us out to capture what it's like during the pandemic.
Yeah, which they're not.
But at the same time, is like Space 220, is that restaurant going to open in Epcot? That was supposed to open already.
I think like once the new stuff starts opening, like the Ratatouille ride, the Space restaurant, if that ever opens this year, we'll definitely for sure go. Yeah. Speaking for both of us, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
We'd like to go.
And we'd go in a safe way.
Yeah. So probably not.
Probably not.
I mean, I want to, but it's just not going to happen probably. Yeah. I'm sorry. You'll have to watch like the Tim Tracker if you want to get your Disney World information.
Yeah, traveling during this pandemic is not the easiest thing to do. If you could choose anyone in the world to make a guest appearance on our channel, who would it be?
Anyone in the world?
Yeah.
I don't know. Who would you choose?
I'd like a day in Disneyland with Steven Spielberg. I feel like he as a film geek and as someone who grew up with Spielberg, you know, all his movies are like mean so much to me. I feel like that would be the coolest video.
You wouldn't want to go to Universal with him and go like on the ET ride with him? What the heck?
What is your thought on the whole Rey Skywalker controversy?
I love it.
Yeah. Is there a controversy? Like I know some people don't like that her name is that she takes the Skywalker name.
Yeah.
I think it's like such a hopeful Star Wars message that like you can be someone like Rey who was in a way created by bad people and I guess in a way destined to do bad things and to be like, no, I'm going to be my own person. I'm going to find my own family, not just with, you know, Leia and Luke, but also like her friends.
Yeah. That was very well said. I don't know. I loved it. I loved the meaning behind it. Yeah. It made me cry. I loved when I loved everything about it. So
who's your favorite Harry Potter character? I think like Hagrid.
Sirius Black probably for me.
Are you guys rich? How do you afford to go to 2 parks so often?
We are childless millennials and we choose to spend our money on things that make us happy.
Yeah. So plus an annual pass to like Disneyland for both of us costs probably less money than it would take a family of 4 to travel to a Disney World vacation.
Yeah. So we do the monthly thing and it's a priority to us and it's where we choose to spend our income.
Yeah.
And it makes us happy.
Yeah.
So
if you live near a Disney park, it's honestly not that hard.
Yeah.
I know people that work retail jobs that have annual passes.
Exactly. I used to work a retail job and I can afford mine.
Yeah.
It was a priority to me. But I could understand, like, if you don't get to go that often, you don't quite understand. Like, you just think it's so much money. And it is. It's not like
if you look at a Disneyland or Disney World vacation,
it's expensive.
It's thousands of dollars.
Yeah, like we recently just went to Disney World and we stayed at like a budget hotel and like just tickets, like it wasn't cheap.
Yeah.
So.
But we made it work.
Exactly.
If you want to see our other adventures in Kitra's Quarantine Kitchen, click over there. We'll put a playlist. Thanks for watching, guys.
We'll see you on the next adventure.